mechanical or pneumatic. We offer traditional, easy to use box drills right through to high precision pneumatic seed drills. Coulter options. We offer 4 different coulter options. Traditional Suffolk coulter. We offer uni-disc, lightweight, single disc. We offer a twin disc, so a more precise twin disc option. And then we offer our market leading multi-disc coulter. The reason we have 4 coulters, it offers us to be very fine-tuned to individual soils on your farm. So we can operate in very harsh, dry conditions. We can operate in later in the season in very wet conditions. That gives the farmer the ability to choose the date of his sowing, not based on weather. He wants to go sowing his wheat 18th of October. It's very wet, he can go sowing. We offer that option. Single or multi-hoppers. We are seeing more demands on the farmer to reduce pesticide use. So we want the option of companion cropping. So let's work with nature to control pests in the field by growing 2 crops. By having multiple hoppers, we can grow field beans alongside a field of wheat. We can grow various catch crops alongside a field of oilseed rape to help combat cabbage stemfly beetle. One good option we have is E-Drive. What is E-Drive, I hear you say? E-Drive is the option to fine-tune our machine to the customer's needs. You are a contractor, you are doing work on various farms. One customer is 24 metres, one is 20 metres, one is 27. You tell the computer that operates the drill how big the sprayer is, how big the tramline width is, and it will shut the rows off as you go across the field to ensure your tramlines are in exactly the place. As a contractor, that gives you confidence that you always have the right machine for any of your customers, but also for the future growth of your business. When designing machines, it's very important to make a machine safe, but it's very important to make a machine easy to use. All of our machines are designed to be calibrated very easy. If we make it very easy, the operator does it. So the access to the calibration metering unit can all be done by standing on the ground. It's very, very simple to do. To work on the machine, we have some nice features where you want to adjust the rear coulters, the steps lift up, making it safe and easy to use. Soil conditions, we all know across the UK, soil conditions vary to light blowing sand right through to heavy London brick clay. So across all of our power harrows, we offer 4 rotors per metre. Key benefits of this is you're turning smaller rotors, it takes less horsepower, you're creating a finer tilt. It's a way of using less diesel, again being more profitable.